film called Patton, about George Patton, and it stars George C. Scott. It happens to be directed by Franklin J. Schaeffer, S-H-A-F-F-N-E-R, who directed another film along the same period of time called Planet of the Apes. Different subjects. Different subjects. But a vision is common to the two of them. That's what we learn to distinguish. What is the vision of this filmmaker that makes these films feel like they belong to one another? Remember, what a film is about is not as important. It's always going to be obvious because you see it, you hear it, and you know what is going on. But what it is, what does it communicate to you about the vision of the filmmaker? I began the review. This was in 1970, and that's important to remember the period of time when the film was made and when I wrote this review. The first image in Patton is a giant United States flag, the backdrop to a stage. Slowly from the rear, General George Patton emerges, covered with ribbons and dressed in the handsome uniform that anyone over 40 will remember with nostalgia. In a brief speech to the audience, spoken as though we were about to go to battle, General Patton, superbly played by George C. Scott, tells us that war is glorious and that Americans never lose because they love war. The effect is stunning, a masterful directorial stroke. Notice that in my review, I'm lifting up the director, how well he put this together.